Welcome to my channel Gearshift Auto Parts. Get top quality used engines transmissions at Gearshift Auto Parts. Need a solid used engine or transmission for your ride? Looking for quality parts that won't cost you an arm and a leg? You're in the right place. Gearshift Auto Parts has got you covered. We've got tested, reliable used engines and transmissions for all the big name brands: Ford, Dodge, Chevy, BMW, Audi, Acura, Fiat, and more. Whether you're fixing up your daily drive or restoring a classic, we've got the right part for you. Why choose Gearshift Auto Parts? Simple. Every part is quality tested, backed by a warranty, and available for nationwide shipping. No hassle, no stress, just great parts at great prices. Ready to get back on the road? Head over to gearshifttautoparts.com today and grab the engine or transmission you need. Fast shipping, great deals, and real quality. You won't find a better deal anywhere else. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon.